In this video, we will talk about an amazing Web3 game development company, crypto project, and the pre-sale of their own token. Very interesting project with a lot of potential, so let's get started with the topic. First, a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Alright, welcome back everybody. So in this video, what we'll do is I'll first introduce you a little bit to Revolution Gaming. That's the name of the project and the crypto we will talk about. They have their own pre-sale of the RGT token, which has a lot of great utilities, which we will also still talk about in this video. But overall, we'll talk about everything you need to know. All right, I'll tell you a bit about the project itself, what it is, what its objectives are. But then we'll also go a little bit more into depth about the games they already have developed, the games that are in development, but also the pre-sale, how to participate, and the tokenomics. So a lot to talk about. So without further ado, let's get started with a brief introduction on the project. So Revolution Gaming is a pioneering Web3 game development company in essence, and it's dedicated to forging a gaming industry that prioritizes players and rewards unique contributions of each member within the community. So basically, Revolution Gaming saw a huge gap in the current industry that we have in crypto and gaming between what the players want and what the game developers actually develop. So they want to fix that by doing 4 different things. They want to have a meaningful impact on current and future development of games by facilitating better communication from players to developers, which they also have some nice features with the tokens. They want to get different levels of token rewards by playing the games that they have actually published, and by winning games and by ranking high in leaderboards. And then apart from that, which are basically core values in the entire industry of crypto gaming as well, is they want to let players be able to actually make money while progressing through the games. And they want the players to actually have some ownership as well in the games via NFTs. So the first play to earn game they have is called Marble Mania, but right now, and we'll still talk about that a little bit later in the video as well, but they also have a racing and an FPS game in development right now. So more info on that, but you should know that all the links for Revolution Gaming will be down in the description. So if you want to follow them on their social media, or just you just want to follow their website and the development of which, then you can check it out there. All right, so to start off with the pre-sale is coming very, very soon. I'm not sure when this video will be uploaded, but at this point of time, it will be published in a little bit less than 9 days. And if you actually want to participate, the only thing you should do is you can actually use this dashboard once it's live. But you can also go to account right here and already set yourself up with a referral code. So you can very, very easily participate in a pre-sale once it's actually live. Because right now, like I said, it's not live yet, but it will be very, very soon. Apart from that, here you can see some concrete features of Revolution Gaming. So for example, they have monetary rewards in all of their games. They have a complete player-driven NFT marketplace and marketplace in general. And they have a player-to-development communications group called Strike Team, which you can actually be a part of if you buy the RGT tokens. And that's one of its main utilities. And that's also one of the main objectives, as you can remember, which we talked about with Revolution Gaming, that they actually want to increase and improve, especially that communication between players and developers. So on their website, and like I said, the links will be down in the description, you can also watch a trailer for Marble Mania. We will still talk about that a little bit later, but if you want to check that out briefly, then check out the links down in the description. They also have $150,000 worth of free giveaways, in which they have a $100,000 mega giveaway, which again, if you want to check that out, go to their Twitter, go to their Discord. All of the links will be down in the description. But apart from that, they also have daily giveaways totaling 15,000 and weekly giveaways totaling 35,000. So there's a lot for you to gain. So I would definitely recommend you to check out all of their platforms and their media to learn more about the Revolution Gaming and their pre-sale, but also about these giveaways. So if you actually go to the website and the top menu right here, under games, you can see the racing game and the FPS game coming soon, but you can also learn more about Marble Mania. So here you can see Marble Mania. Again, via this link, you can also watch the trailer, but you can also learn more about it. Basically what it is you can collect your favorite marbles. There's some sort of PvP with raising, and then you can actually earn. Like I said, Revolution Gaming really wants you to let you earn some money with this as well. So they do not only allow you to mint NFTs and to have some ownership, but you can also earn some good money while playing Marble Mania. Now, all of this and more can be viewed via their website. Like I said, if you want to know more about the pre-sale, if you want to know more about the project via the white paper, or a little bit more about the games or Marble Mania in this case, then I would definitely recommend you to check that out via the website. Revolution Gaming has also been in the news a lot with Coinpedia, which is a huge crypto news platform. So I would definitely recommend you to check that out. But for now, this is what I wanted to tell you about Revolution Gaming, their project and their pre-sale. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed and subscribe to our channel.